Hey guys, I'm with my favorite Lisa here. She's gonna take me to skate and she's buying us breakfast before we go. So very nice of her, right? Look at the cute little butt. From Oahu. Hi. And we're gonna start.
Okay.
Alright, here's some
Don't girl, get it.
setup. Okay. Are we too fast?
No. Yeah.
Oh, like quick, let's do it like, you know,
Yeah, like, yeah,
quick,
like
quick, grab it. Be ready to grab it. Are we putting it back? Yeah. And then
Are we
we're
grabbing? Don't put it yet, just grab one. Just everybody grab one. There you go, there you go. Okay, and now
we're all gonna.
now we'll get. Now I'll pan around and everybody come take a bite.
Yep. Yeah.
Okay.
And also I'll bite mine, and by the time I'll give it to you, Kat, and so you can bite it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Smart.
Oh, we'll start with Brandon.
Hold on, I don't want to fall on y'all.
Cheers, that. No, maybe not COVID.
Oh yeah! Yeah!
Oh my god. Get it in here, go.
Just like, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, do that and then put the liners back on top. Put in front, like in. Oh yeah, no, that's good.
Well, it will block it, right?
Yeah. And just go like that.
You sound like a Christmas ornament.
This is so cute. Okay, cool.
Oh, wait.
Woo!
That was
Hey. Oh, now I can shoot him.
No pressures.
Woo!
I'm full. I have to shit if I eat more.
Bubba.
Down here. This looks shady.
Three of us, right? Four here. 3 seats here. All right.
I can do the back. I'm right here.
Okay, you want
This
to
looks
seat?
fun.
This is how we roll. Literally.
There's a seat right here.
Okay,
You have to go in to the side.
I'm just looking. You guys okay?
Yeah.
Need any help?
No.
Trafficking?
Yeah.
Okay, I can close it.
Videotaping us.
Yeah. Closed.
Oh, wait.
This is hilarious.
So funny.
Oh, driver!
Up the road, please. So happy for you. I'm sending you some stuff now.
Yeah.
Me too. So it's gonna be an overload.
She said, what are you doing?
Oh, your shit's okay. Mine's
Yeah, I
sent too.
got this.
Yeah, it's all out there.
Oh, sorry, Alyssa.
That looks nice. I want one in cinematic too.
Oh, okay. You didn't hit that rock, right? I'm so scared. Like, what if you had hit on? You didn't hurt yourself though?
No.
Okay, thank God.
Oh my God, in my heart.
I scared myself.
Yum.
Perfect. Okay, so then. Can you go backwards?
Yeah. Hold that pose, hold that pose. Oh my God. Yeah, it's all out there. You okay?
Are you okay? Massage you.
You want a massage?
Oh no.
She totally smacked. Yep.
What is scratching something?
Oh.